Members, I welcome you to this program. Thank you for being on. Thank you for paying attention. Thank you for being attentive to these math lessons. Remember, you should always refresh yourself when you are coming into a math lesson, because mathematics is a very good subject. It is interesting, so you should ever be free when you are learning it. Today we are looking at fractions as our topic. Our lesson is all about comparing fraction. That is our lesson 5. We do have our example 1 here, and example 1 is saying there is a circle. It is divided into 2 equal parts. A circle is divided into 2 equal parts. This is a circle. It is divided into 2 equal parts. Earlier on, I told you that when a circle is divided into 2 equal parts, it means that each and every part is called a half. Or you can read it as 1 out of 2. But the other time we say that we can read this one as a half. So this is what is made as the part, the second part of this whole. That is half of it, because it was divided equally into 2 pieces. So this is its part. Here we can see a circle divided into 3 equal parts. This is part 1, part 2, and part 3. So it means that when a circle is divided into 3 equal parts, it means that each part is referred to as a third. And this is what you call a third, as I told you last time. This is a third, or you can say it is 1/3. So here we cut out, this is what you call 1/3 or a third, because the circle was divided into 3 equal parts. And here we can see a circle divided into 4 equal parts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. But each part is called a quarter, as I told you last time, or 1/4. That's how you can read each part. Now, we are looking at what we call comparing fractions. Let us compare these fractions. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. If you try to compare these 3 fractions, you can understand that this half, this part is bigger than this one, and this one is also bigger than this one. You can see that this part is smaller than this one, and this one is smaller than this one. So how are we going to compare? In case you have come across any question that is saying that you compare those 3 fractions, I wish one will compare these 3 fractions as follows. You will start that 1 out of 2, because you see that a half, that's what you call a half. You will say that a half is greater than a third. So what do you understand from this? A half is greater than a third. This half is greater than this a third. That's one you can easily see it, that this half is greater than this a third. So here you can also learn that the bigger the denominator, or the bigger the lower part of a fraction, the smaller the fraction. The fraction becomes small when its down number is bigger. That's how the fraction becomes too small. A half is greater than a third. This simply means that also a third is less than. Those are the words that we always use. A half is greater than a third, which means that also a third is less than a half. That's part 1. We can go to part 2. What have you seen? What have you seen? I have seen that a half is greater than a third. That's all. How about you compare also this a quarter? we can say that also our half is greater than our quarter. So this simply means that our quarter is less than this our half. So when our half is greater than our quarter, it simply means that our quarter is less than, it is smaller than this our half. What can we see? This one is greater than this one. We have said, and this one is also greater than this one. How are we going to compare these two, a third and a quarter? Let's compare these two, a third and a quarter. We shall compare those ones as, because this one is bigger than this one, also this one is bigger than this one, and I told you earlier that the bigger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. And the smaller the denominator, the bigger the fraction. So that one you can say that a third, or you can read it as 1/3 is greater than a quarter. Or you can say, you can reverse it and say a quarter, or 1/4, or 1/4 is less than a third. That's how we say. So my dear pupils of primary 3, today we have learned about how to compare these three fractions. That is a half, a third, and a quarter. We have seen that the smaller the down number of the fraction, or the smaller the denominator, the bigger the fraction. And the bigger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. Or we can say that we have compared a half, a third, and a quarter, such that a half is bigger than all these three, a third is bigger than a quarter, but this a quarter is less than a third, and also a quarter is less than this half. So thank you very much for paying attention. We'll meet in the next lesson.